Is this goodbye? Matador Globerider? Are you RIP-ing, dude? Kind of a sad day. So Matador just launched the Global Travel Pack, which is their new travel bag, and it's awesome. And our review of it is live. We're gonna link to it in every location that we can. Tony just took it to Japan on a 3-day trip. But I thought this was a new bag that would be complementing the kind of borderline iconic Globerider series, but it turns out nay. The travel pack has KO'd the Globerider, and I'm conflicted because this new bag is fucking awesome. It is a kind of functional masterpiece. Tony, I was watching his review and I'm like, damn, like this thing slaps. Water bottle pockets, multiple compartments, this front admin pocket with its own volume. I mean, this is just a beast of a travel bag. But at the end of the day, it's really hard for a bag brand to make a silhouette that is iconic, right? That is noticeable. And I'm not saying that Matador is Osprey. They're not on that level of noticeability, but this has really gotten a lot of love in the community over the years. And I think it's such a cool, unique bag. And it's really difficult, or I would say rare, to have a bag that is unique, that is recognizable, while also being functionally awesome. That's what the Globerider kind of was. And I can understand Matador wanting to mix things up a little bit, you know, improve a design, but a completely new series just kind of caught me off guard. And the fact that they didn't bring over the front kangaroo pouch to the new bag, that's the most interesting part, because they could have in theory popped it right here and still had a front pocket, but they went with the external bungee cord system, which still has functional value for external carry, but not quite to the same extent as this, right? You can throw snacks in here, your phone in here, your sling in there. This is kind of good for sweaters and jackets, and that's like all that I really can see it like actually being used for. Maybe we're going down the road of a better style here. You know, this is kind of in line with what we see with North Face bags, which are obviously iconic in their own right. Think like the Jester and the Borealis, you know, they got this bungee system in the front. So I think that it's kind of in, and it's got a really nice aesthetic to it. A little bit of outdoors mixed with that urban vibe. But yeah, just kind of shocked me that it looks like we're not gonna be seeing the Globerider anymore. So yeah, this is just a quick video with my thoughts on that. This global travel pack is brilliant, and it's gonna make some noise in the market, but I didn't expect it to come at the cost of the Globerider. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to check out our full review, like I said, Tony just took this pack to Japan for 3 days, and he's got a lot to say, a lot of epic B-roll, and you can watch that review right here. Again, let me know your thoughts on the whole Matador situation. I'm Aaron, this is Nomads Nation, and we'll catch you guys next time.